How to install Snapchat on iPhone? Want to stay connected with friends through fun filters and quick snaps? Snapchat is a must-have app for your iPhone. But if you are not sure how to install it, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step in this quick and easy tutorial. Let's dive right in. First, open App Store. Next, tap the search tab at the bottom. Then type Snapchat. Hit search and look for the official Snapchat app with the yellow logo and tap Get. If your iPhone uses Face ID or Touch ID, you will need to authenticate. Just double-click your side button or scan your fingerprint and the download will start automatically. As I have already downloaded before, that's why it's not showing in mine, but if you are downloading for the very first time, it will be shown. Once installed, tap Open and log in with your existing account or sign up for free. And that's it, you are now ready to start snapping, exploring filters and sharing moments with friends. If this helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.